I-80 truck stop just west of the Quad Cities along Interstate 80. Oh, hence maybe that's why they call it the I-80 truck stop. That stuck here, this ridiculous snow. Missed the gig tonight, like the third gig I've ever missed in the last 12 years. And it's because they literally closed down the interstate. What do we do?
Move to fucking Vegas. Stranded in Iowa. Stranded in Iowa. Stranded. Just really want to smash it like a rock star.
I'm gonna use one of these fuckers on my next heckler.
Really tight, curving exit ramp. So here I come onto this. I've got a 16-ounce bottle of Diet Coke.
Shit's amazing. Wonder if the TV will stick.
South by East 5.
Nobody else found that fun. Just like my show.
Jersey.